This video teaches you how to make a Facebook page that other people can like and follow. Examples of pages include business pages, fan pages, and meme pages. You can create a page within the Facebook mobile app as well as on the desktop site. 1. Open Facebook. Tap the Facebook app, which resembles a white F on a blue background. Doing so will open your news feed if you're already logged into Facebook. If you aren't already logged into Facebook, enter your email address or phone number and password to continue. 2. Tap. It's either in the bottom right corner of the screen, iPhone, or the top right corner of the screen, Android. 3. Scroll down and tap Pages. This option is near the bottom of the menu. You may have to tap See More in this menu to show the Pages option. On Android, skip this step and tap Create Page. 4. Tap Create Page. It's near the top of the screen. 5. Tap Get Started when prompted. This option is at the bottom of the screen. Doing so will take you to the page setup screen. 6. Enter your page's name, then tap Next. Simply tap the page name field, type in a name for your page, and then tap the Next button at the bottom of the screen. 7. Select a page category. Tap Choose a category near the bottom of the page, then tap a category that suits your page. 8. Select a subcategory. Tap Choose a subcategory below the category you just chose, then tap a subcategory that works for your page. 9. Tap Next. This button is at the bottom of the page. 10. Add a website URL, then tap Next. Type your website's URL into the field in the middle of the screen. This step is optional, however, adding your website if you have one will help increase your visibility, especially if you're making a page for a business, product, service, or something similar. 11. Upload a profile picture for your page. Tap Add a profile picture, select a photo, resize the photo if necessary, and tap Done. You can also skip this step by tapping Skip in the top right corner of the screen. On some Androids, you'll tap instead of Done. 12. Tap Next. It's at the bottom of the screen. 13. Add a cover photo. Tap Add Cover Photo, select a cover photo, resize the cover photo if necessary, and tap Save. You can also tap Skip in the top right corner of the screen to skip this step. 14. Tap Visit Page. It's a blue button at the bottom of the screen. This will complete the setup process and create your page. You can review your page's settings by tapping either iPhone or Android in the top right corner of the screen and then tapping Edit Settings in the resulting pop-up menu.